Good morning, YouTube. Got this today. I have no idea what's in it or who it's from. I'm thinking it's the frozen turkey patties I ordered. Just kidding. I don't eat those. But if I did, I certainly wouldn't buy them from Sony. Just kidding. Let's look at this. Yeah, paperwork. I've got my little partner right here helping me unbox. What do you think's in here? What's in here? Snakes. Yes. At least I hope snakes. Okay, let's get this out of the way. And this is from Sonny Raju at Lone Star Reptiles and Smartass Association. Okay. I just don't think I can do it. I'm just kidding. I really, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, we're going to do the hypo first. Before we get... Good Lord. Oh my goodness, God gracious. Alright. This is the little hypo female. Talk about my handwriting, Sony. Jesus, look at yours, dude. Did you get some cheerleader to write that for you, bro? Alright.
That's the male symbol.
I know, but look at his writing. It's a female symbol. The male's is the plus.
No.
Well, maybe he was on his medication at the time. Either way. Okay. I'm hoping that there's not a mouth that comes lunging out of here. This is the little hypo at Albino. Hey, don't you bite me.
Sure she's not a ball python. Or he. We don't know what it is yet. So he might have been on his medication, right?
Look at these. Look at the eyes. Those are ridiculous. If that's not het for albino, it's het for something craziness. That's beautiful. Yep. She is the smallest boa I own, Sony. Just slightly smaller than the female jungle. And that's going to be beautiful. Good Lord. She is gorgeous. Okay. Go back to your home for a few minutes.
Might want to pop her to make sure.
Yeah, I'm not going to pop her, but I am going to do the palpation test. No hemi penis. She's good.
He must have got the lids mixed up.
Where's mine? Okay, we're going to do the male first. I'll just put her back right here. Nothing else. Okay, this is the male. Yeah, see? I told you. I'm fixing to move this. Look, I'm fixing to show you. The male symbol's the plus. Females have the arrow for the chalice.
Sony's on medication because that's wrong. Trust me, I've watched enough Austin Powers to know what is what.
Oh, shut up. Okay, we're not talking about that. That's the male.
Ooh, pretty.
I haven't gotten any hisses yet. Thought he might put a Reese's cup in there for me. Good God Almighty.
Well, there's the Sunglow you wanted, sweetie. Wow.
Yeah, no joke. Look at the tail. This is actually the first time I've ever even seen a Sunglow in person. Good God Almighty. I wonder if he's het for albino. Holy crap. This little guy's ripped too. He's got freaking muscle all over the place. Jesus. Tail. Okay. Yep, you just want to chill out too, don't you? Okay. Well, you're gonna go back to your little home for a moment. If and you will. I'll get you on the heat in a moment, and the moment you've all been waiting for. Super C. I can tell Sony's off his rocker. He didn't even put a symbol on this one. This is the hermaphrodite. And hopefully she's not psychotic.
I'm gonna close up.
Bowie. Hey, Bowie. Bowie.
Good Lord, look at those pinks.
Hey, Bowie. Up here.
Abby, we're not worried about the dog right now. Do you not see what's going on here?
What's that, Daddy?
That's a Sunglow. Can you say Sunglow? She wants you for sure. She's amazing. Okay, well, check that pattern out. I'll take some photos, get some updated stuff in the albums, and we'll talk to you later. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, Sony. You'll be seeing this in a few.